Hello, everyone, and welcome to this ultimate guide of creating a video in CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or looking for way to refine your skills, you're in the right place. Now, we'll walk you through the essential features of CapCut. So let's dive in. So, first things first, let's get you familiar with the CapCut interface. So here I have opened the CapCut application software on my PC. Now you will have to simply go to the setting on top right corner and select the setting and then select settings again. Now here is some of the settings that you have to change. Let's go to edit, make sure this is checked and go to performance, and now select both of these. Just simply click and check it, and also select this one and select this one to turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video content. Now select the output of your default CapCut video editing software, and now let's go to language and notifications, which is all are good, and then click on save to save the setting of your software. Now here on first, we will see that it says create project. If we click on this, then a new project will be created on and inside this CapCut software. Now on the left, you can sign into your CapCut account if you have any, or you can also sign in with your Google account. And CapCut has a feature which was added few years ago, that you can also log into your TikTok account and use different types of templates on CapCut and edit them and then re-upload it to TikTok. Now we're here on the homepage of TikTok. Let's zoom in our software, and to the right, here is a search button for to find all your projects. This is the viewing option, and this is the trash that you have deleted all the videos that you have recently deleted, and it will automatically delete up to 30 days have passed. Now click on create project, and then it will simply create another window which will um, I explain in a minute. So this is the interface of CapCut. So here on the top, you can see this is the name of our project. So if I want to share, if I want to change this, I can simply double click on it and then delete it, and then write the right project and then hit enter. Now it is saved as project. Now here we will import videos, audios, and images so that we can edit and show you that how you can edit it. So simply click on the import, and it will open up another window where we will have to input our images and other files.